Key features and details about LabCharge Ionic Air Purifier: filter-free, portable and pet-friendly. There are include: indoor air quality plays a vital role in creating a healthy and comfortable living space, and the LabCharge Ionic Air Purifier offers a refreshing alternative to traditional filter-based systems. Unlike bulky purifiers that require costly filter replacements, this compact purifier uses high-density ions to silently and effectively reduce smoke, dust, pet dander, and airborne particles in your environment. With no filters to clean or replace, it's a hassle-free solution for those who value simplicity and efficiency. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. The LabCharge is suitable for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and even larger rooms where quiet, continuous purification is essential. Its sleek and space-saving design means you don't need to sacrifice valuable floor or counter space. Simply plug it in, and it begins purifying immediately, operating 24/7 without noise or extra setup. Pet owners will especially appreciate the LabCharge purifier, as it helps to minimize airborne particles such as pet hair and dander, improving the comfort of shared spaces. This makes it one of the most practical options for households with cats, dogs, or other furry companions. At the same time, its whisper-quiet design makes it perfect for bedrooms, supporting restful sleep without disturbance. For those who travel frequently, the LabCharge is portable and compact enough to be used in cars, RVs, or hotel rooms. It functions as a reliable mini purifier that ensures cleaner air wherever you go, setting it apart from larger devices that aren't suited for mobility. Safety and energy efficiency are also at the heart of its design. Consuming less than 1 W of power, the LabCharge is built for continuous operation without inflating your electricity bill. Its filter-free structure not only saves money but also provides a true set-it-and-forget-it experience, making it an excellent long-term investment in clean air. Whether you're searching for an air purifier for a pet-friendly home, a portable travel solution, or a low-maintenance option for everyday use, the LabCharge Ionic Air Purifier offers a perfect balance of performance, convenience, and peace of mind. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.